Signing up for Campus Research Day may seem daunting to some participants. This video will attempt to clear up any confusion regarding how to successfully sign up for this campus-wide research event. As a reminder, Campus Research Day 2023 initial submissions are due by February 6. Any necessary changes must be finalized prior to the March 20 deadline. The March 20 deadline this year is a fixed deadline, and no new submissions will be accepted after the deadline to avoid logistical issues. Be sure to double check that you are signed up prior to that March 20 deadline. If you are interested in or required to participate in Campus Research Day, you can sign up by scanning this QR code or following the link. Otherwise, if you'd like more assistance in learning how to navigate the signing up process, you can simply go to the submission form from the library homepage, as I will show you. First, using the menu on the right side of the library homepage, select News, Events, and Exhibits from that menu. Secondly, click on the option entitled Campus Research Day from the drop-down menu. From the Campus Research Day homepage, you will see a menu in green lettering on the right. Select the option called Submit Proposal to view the submission form. The Campus Research Day website and submission form are all housed by Knowledge Exchange. If you already have an account, simply sign in using the email and password you picked when you originally set up your account. If you do not remember your account information, you can always select Forgot Your Password and follow the prompts to recover your account. If you do not have an account in Knowledge Exchange, you will now have to create an account prior to accessing the submission form. Do so by clicking on Sign Up at the bottom of the sign-in screen and filling out the subsequent sign-up form. You will then be sent an activation link to the email you entered into the sign-in form. Your confirmation email will look similar to this example. To confirm your account and proceed with signing up to Campus Research Day, click the green button labeled Confirm Your Account. The submission agreement form, like this one, will then be displayed. Remember to take a moment to review this agreement before checking the agreement box, which is located near the bottom of the screen. The submission form will then load. Be sure to fill out the form entirely, paying attention to the required elements shown in red on the form. Once you have filled out the form completely, take note of the submission form details noted near the end of the form. Finally, click the Submit button from the bottom of the form. You will receive a confirmation email within 24 hours of submitting, verifying that your submission has been received. If you do not receive a confirmation email, and this is very important, please double check that the form was filled out correctly and that the submit button was pressed to complete the submission. If you still do not receive confirmation, please contact the Campus Research Day chair immediately for further assistance, as your proposal most likely did not go through or was not completed correctly. Some participants may wish to present for both an oral presentation session as well as a poster session. In order to present twice, remember to submit 2 submission forms, one for each separate presentation that you are planning to make. For instance, if you are already presenting at the poster session, you must still submit an additional entry form to be added to the list of oral presentation participants. Otherwise, our staff will have no idea how many people are participating in both sessions, as we will not have a correct number. Please contact the Campus Research Day Chair, Bethany Howard, with any questions or for further assistance. If you have a question, don't delay, ask today. To learn more about Campus Research Day, be sure to check out our other informational videos in this playlist. We will also have another video that will look even more into detail on how to fill out the sign-in form. If you still have further questions, make sure to check out that video. See you next time!